Hello, friends. Happy morning to all. My special greetings to all the members of MobilePay who are already into the system and using and taking the benefits of MobilePay app. And my most welcome to all newcomers who are onto this platform for the first time today. Friends, you are going to learn something a very unique business opportunity today with the e-commerce revolution and with a wonderful app which is being a new business of India. See, as you see the figure in the beginning, the whole world is in our palm. So this is what I'm going to explain you how this is going to benefit us by keeping the whole world view into our palm and making use of it and making money out of it. So friends, let us start. See, the world around us is changing with e-commerce revolution. Everything today, what we are using is through the digital platform. Earlier, we have been using many things through a physical form where we used to go individually places to get our works done. But today, everything is being done just from the mobile. And this is a very comfort zone and where we are able to save a lot of our time. And this particular platform now in e-commerce is going to help us even to make money out of it. So, friends, today, because the e-commerce is growing so huge in the world market, lot of rich big tycoons, big multimillionaires are investing a lot of huge money, are pumping in money for the e-commerce business. So, friends, you see how the e-commerce is taking a big leap into this world market. You can see the India is on the second level today, growing in the terms of e-commerce, and in no sooner or later, this is going to be number one in throughout the world. It is expected nearly 15 lakh crores to be by 2027, our Indian industry in e-commerce. So friends, this e-commerce revolution is going to be a very huge revolution. Just pay a small heed towards it and really make use of it. So friends, today I will introduce a very unique, a wonderful opportunity through a beautiful and wonderful app called Mobile Pay. Mobile Pay is a e-commerce app unlike any other apps available in the market. See, we have been using so many apps for our different usages for different purposes to make our things done in our day-to-day life. But mobile pay is so unique and so different, but it is not only help you to do all your transaction day to day, but even to make money out of it. So such is the unique properties of mobile pay. With this mobile pay, you will be able to do all your regular transaction like electricity bill, telephone bill, mobile pay recharge, internet recharge. You can pay your insurance premium. You can purchase your groceries. You can book your air ticket, bus ticket, rail ticket. Okay, you do anything and everything. Every transactions what you make through mobile pay, you will make money out of it. And this is for sure. It is not just one time, and it's not going to tell you better luck next time. So this is a for a sure. Whenever you make a transaction, you are definitely going to make money out of it. So friends, who is the person behind this wonderful concept? Mr. Sri Krishan Chaudhary. I don't have words to tell about the great personality of this gentleman. You know, he has got a nearly 30 years of experience. I have just found six small points compressed from 6 pages of his profile. See, he's been the director of Ministry of Textiles in the government of India. He's a member of Fertilizer from Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer. He's a founder principal advisor of Federations of Indian Direct Selling Association. He's the founder president of Bharati Yuva Berojgar Parishad. He has been awarded the Best Achiever Award for ICICI Prudential. Friends, he is a mastermind, and his main mission to bring this beautiful app to each and everyone, every individual of India to have this mobile pay app and make earnings out of it. His mission is to have put money in everybody's pocket. And along with them, we have got two wonderful people, Mr. KB Singh, who is in the management, the board of directors, and administration, Mr. Professor Jagdish. So friends, I'll give you what really mobile pay is. It is a blend of a three unique, I'll call it four unique blend of a system in this mobile pay app. So first of all, what is this mobile pay? It is a e-commerce app. Okay, e-commerce in the sense it is a digital platform where you will be able to do all your transaction on ease without any kind of discomforts. Second, this mobile pay is an affiliate marketing system through which we are going to get commissions out of it. How we are going to get commissions, I'll tell you in this later slides. Okay, so affiliate commissions is nothing but a commission shared between a intermediate between a buyer and a user. So there are a lot of companies who is going to get tied up with our mobile pay, and from every company what the commission is being earned by your transaction to the company, and company is going to share a profit out of it. The sharing of the ratio will be from all your transactions. Say if company makes through RuPay card 1% of the commission, company is going to retain 25% of it and share 75% in a wonderful system of marketing. Okay. Thirdly, we have got this into a referral marketing. Why referral marketing, friends? It is a must actually. See, if you don't tell anything about anything, nobody will opt to purchase or go for anything else, because today referral marketing is very much important. It is more powerful than any other types of marketing in this world. See, if you see an example, if somebody tells you, if you have seen an advertisement and you go to buy some products through advertisement, at the same moment your friend comes and he just changes your mind. He tells, no, instead of going for this particular product, why don't you go for this particular product? This is going to be more useful. I'm using it. So you listen to your friend more better than the advertisement what you have seen. So word of mouth is a very powerful source of advertisement. And friends, the people who really believe is your close contacts. So when you tell, you are going to tell something very unique, and you are definitely not going to dupe them out of any other motto. Friends, the fourth unique thing about this mobile pay is the app. Is the card, a prepaid card. Friends, this company is giving you a card. It is a prepaid card which can be used online and offline. This wonderful card is so safe to use. It is very much safe because you can deposit any amount of money into this card and spend for the day, and you can block this card whenever you wish to. You can change the pins as many numbers of times you want. So usually if we are purchasing a card, of you, if you're having, most of you must be having the bank card, debit card and credit card. And you know what are the expenditures involved into this with this card in a year. See friends, this card is going to cost you only one time payment of 600 rupees, including all your GST and all. And it is valid for 5 years. That means you are paying only 10 rupees a month. At so cheap a cost, you are going to get such a wonderful, unique, and a very safe card for you to use for your day-to-day transaction. And this is a MasterCard. This card, it is a RuPay card, and this card, which when you use anywhere, you attract commission for every transaction what you are going to make through this card. So company earns 1% from all your transactions, and is going to share the opportunity, the commissions through you for all your transactions. Friends, this is even our Prime Minister, he promotes the RuPay card, and it tells that you're going to contribute a huge economical contribution to the growth of the nation by using this RuPay card. So friends, now let us see what mobile pay is going to give us through using this particular app. You are going to make 19 types of earnings. Yes, friends, 19 types of income. I will not go through all these 19 types of income. There are small and big incomes. I'll just tell you the major income, that is more than enough for you to make a million or a billion money out of this. It is such a simple, such a unique, such a wonderful concept. So first of all, what is your first benefit when you're joining with mobile pay and when you start using the card? The first transaction when you use the card, say when you're making a transaction of 500 rupees, you will get 500 points out of it. When you use it for 2,500, you're going to make 2,500 points. And when you use for 5,000, you'll get 5,000 points. And even you use for 10,000, you'll get 5,000. So 5,000 is a bracket close, the maximum points what you're going to get out of your first transaction. And this first transaction will keep repeating frequently. The first transaction, all these points, 1 point is equivalent to 1 rupee, and these points you can use it to redeem your products what you are going to purchase from the mobile pay app mall. The mobile pay mall is coming up with so many unique products in near future, so which will be very useful for our day-to-day life. and we can redeem all these points out of this. And once you redeem these points, you can again regain the points by doing your next your first transaction. So say for 5,000 points, when it gets over after redemption, the next transaction, what you do, say if you're doing 2,000 rupees, again the next transaction, you'll again get 2,000 points. So this is a never ending process and you will keep getting points. So friends, this is your first very most income you're going to enjoy by using mobile pay. Second, the most and the wonderful income where everybody works onto this is the club income, friends. Friends, when you join today, you start getting money from the people who have joined already before you. That means, I mean to say, the turnover of the company all over India, whatever the company is making the turnover, you are getting a profit sharing from that. See now how we are going to enter into the club. It is very simple, friends. Before I tell you this format, I will tell you what is the system you are going to build up the team. Say when you download the mobile pay app, the mobile pay comes with a very unique features, and a very unique link will be given to you. This unique link, you will be able to refer 20 people out of your own contacts. Say when you refer this 20 people, all these 20 people, when they refer 20 each, you are going to get a team of 400 people in your second level. The company gives you a revenue out of 5 levels from this system. So second level, when there's 400 people and all does 20 each, you're going to get 8,000 people in your third level. And 8,000 doing 20 each will be a team of 1,60,000. 1,60,000 people doing 20 each, you're getting a team of 32 lakh people. Friends, remember this figure. I will tell you all the plan based on this figure and how you're going to make money out of this figure. See, our main purpose will be just to enroll the 20 people. We will definitely not be able to concentrate on your third, fourth, and fifth level. You will be hardly able to concentrate on your second level, and that will automatically happen. As you have recruited 20, your other people will definitely want to recruit 20 each, because when they share this unique opportunity, unique business, and make money, earning out of their own expenditure, why will anybody not join this mobile pay? So friends, this club, how are you going to achieve this club income is, first out of 20, say even 10 people, when you enter, you'll be immediately there in the club one system. The club one system gives you a time period of 15 days after you're joining, and the company shares 11 rupees out of each card sold throughout India. Friends, if there's a sale of 1 lakh card, then that means 11 lakh rupees will be distributed to all the people who are in the first club, that is the express club, with who have enrolled only 10 people each. Friends, this is so simple. We have been referring so many things. We have been referring other apps. Say, we must definitely have referred to at least 20, 30, 40 people of us for using different e-commerce app. So when you refer this small app, and when you have been referring other apps, you have just earned one-time commission. But when you refer this app, even to 10 of your people, the commission what you're going to get is for a lifetime. You will become a permanent member of that club for lifetime. Say if you are getting even the revenue sharing of rupees 500 to 1,000 rupees in this club, that is also a regular passive income for you for the lifetime till you achieve your next club. So next club, the level is for you when your team grows to 100 people who has already purchased the cards and started their doing businesses with mobile pay, you automatically qualify the second club. Friends, this second club time period is 45 days, and within this period, if you achieve this 100 people in your second level, you get a bigger sharing of 12 rupees and plus 2% from the company's turnover share. Friends, this Super Express Club, the income as on today, that is in 2 months of period, what Mobile Pay has already given, is an average of 5 to 10,000 rupees. You're going to make it regularly for your lifetime. Friends, this is a very comfortable, what do you call, it's a regular income which is going to, which the company is going to give you for the lifetime. Whether you do your transaction or no, it is just one-time achievement, and you are always there permanently into this club till you reach the next club. Next club is a fast club, where in your third level, when 1,000 people are there in your third level, you are within 90 days. The time period is 90 days. Friends, you have to qualify within this period of time, and you will get a sharing of 13 rupees per card. This is going to be very huge sharing, friends. The last month, the sharing for this fast club, it was nearly 1,30,000 was shared among all the people who were in the fast club. Friends, we had only 2 achievers in the last month, and we are hoping a lot many achievers in this month in the Fast Club. The Super Fast Club is the next club on the fourth level. When you have 10,000 people as your in your network team, you will get this. You will get achieved. You will get qualified for the Super Fast Club, and the time period for you to qualify the Super Fast Club is 150 days, 5 months, friends. This is a quite big period, and you can easily concentrate and just qualify for this. And when doing just by concentrating just for 5 months and building up a team is going to really make your life very smooth in terms of finance, in terms of money, and in terms of freedom. Friends, you're going to achieve a lot more things. In Superfast Club, an expected average income would not be less than at least 5 to 10 lakh rupees per month. Friends, this is again depending on the total company's turnover, and as and when the company keeps growing, the more and more the turnover happens, the more and more bigger your checks will be. So, friends, what is the next income out from this club? We are doing our regular transactions, correct, through the RuPay card. And when all your people whom you have enrolled, and when they start doing a transaction, company, as I told you, 75% company shares among all the users. Out of the 75%, 8% of the company's profit is being shared up to 5 levels of your user. 5 levels. Say you refer your one friend, he refers another, and up to 5 levels, all your friends who has joined up to the 5 level team, and whenever they are making any transaction, whenever they are paying an electricity bill, or whenever they are purchasing a grocery, or whenever they are filling a petrol in their car or any other vehicle, you attract commission out of that. So this 8% commission, I just taken an approximate calculation. If in a month, say now you have built a team, you remember the figure, friends, which I showed you. You can build a team of 32 lakh people in your 5 levels, slowly growing from 20 people each. Okay, so this 32 lakhs, when you get an earning of just 10 rupees from one person individually, can you imagine what is the type of income you're going to earn out of mobile pay? Friends, it is something unimaginable. It is something very what do you call, something it is not, we don't believe actually. So why, how this so huge income is possible? But it is a very clear, practically mathematical calculation. You definitely get this big money. Friends, if 32 lakh people, it takes time. Definitely, it'll take time. It may take 6 months, 1 year, so 2 years of period. Still, in 2 years of period, when you're able to make an income of 3.2 crores every month, do you think it is small money? It's a very big money. Friends, we have been doing so many business, so many concepts, but we have never seen such a type of huge income coming from anywhere in a very simple system, and that too from your own expenditure. Friends, if your team has grown even 50% out of it, say if it is even 16 lakh people have joined, still your income is 1.6 crores. Even 10%, if you take 10%, okay, I think everybody can at least achieve 10% of the system growth. If 3,20,000 people in your total network of five stages, and even 10 rupees coming. See, 10 rupees I'm calculating only for 1 month. You will find daily, some people will be giving you daily 10 rupees from their earnings. But I'm just calculating 10 rupees only in a month. Still, your income is 32 lakhs, friends, 32 lakhs. This is not a small money again. It's very, very big money. It is definitely going to give you a financial freedom. The worst scenario I'll talk, the most, we can say, the laziest, I will not say the laziest, the busiest people who doesn't have time even to talk to people or slowly grow their network, only talk to their friends, relatives, and slowly, gradually in their comfort, when they grow this business, even to the 1% of the level, they will still make an additional revenue apart from their all transaction, all their activities, an additional revenue of 3.2 lakhs, friends. This is again a big money. Friends, the next big and the very lucrative income is coming to you from the cards. As I told you, friends, we have got a card, a prepaid card. So as you have purchased the card, and your team will also purchase a card. See, this is the system, and the earning is through the cards. So card is the basic backbone of our mobile pay. when you purchase a card, and when anybody purchases a card under your team, up to 5 levels, for every card sold under your team, company is going to pay you 5 rupees from each card, friends. And this, your minimum transaction, the criteria is for the minimum transaction, it should be 2,500 for you to increase your earnings. Your transaction is less than 2,500, above 500, your earnings will be only 5 rupees up to 5 levels. But when your first transaction, what I mean by the first transaction, when you join mobile pay, when you purchase a card, try to do your minimum transaction of 2,500, friends. Of course, the company has given a liberty, in case if we miss out on 2,500, say we may have just tried whether the card really functions, how I'm going to use this app. So still, if you have got a doubt, and you may try with 500 or 1,000 rupees, but immediately try to complete it with 2,500 rupees in your second or third transaction. So you will be in this slab of 35 rupees earning from the fifth level. From the fifth level, friends, do you remember what is your team size? It is 32 lakhs. Just see, in 32 lakhs, when you're getting rupees 35 earnings from the card, what is the type of income you're going to earn? Say all the 5 levels I have given you here. First level, 5 rupees is giving you 100 rupees, 2,000 in your second level, 40,000 in your third level, 8 lakhs in your fourth level. And can you see in your fifth level, friends, 32 lakhs, people giving you 35 rupees each. It is 11 crores, friends. And this is a must. This is a definite income for you. You have just enrolled 20 people, and your 20 has done 20 each. You will not know when your team will grow to your fifth level, sixth level, seventh level. It will keep growing, but up to the fifth level, company is going to give you 35 rupees per card, friends. And this 11 crore rupees is it is a fixed income. It is definitely going to come today or tomorrow into your bank account. Friends, the most another second lucrative income which you must have never heard, and this is the first company which is going to pay you income from your withdrawals. See, when you're making a profit and when you're withdrawing money and company is paying you again from that, see how wonderful it is. See, if you've got a team of 1,000 people and everybody does 2 times withdrawal in a month, say 500 rupees they are withdrawing twice in a month, still you make 2,000 additional income out of that. If they're doing 4 times in a month, you're getting 4,000 rupees additional a month. If they're doing 6 times in a month, you're getting 6,000 rupees additionally in the month. And friends, it is not going to block your route. The 1,000 is not going to be your team size. It will slowly grow. And when the growth income, say if you are even taking a minimum of 1 lakh people, and all these 1 lakh people doing 6 times withdrawal in a month, 500 rupees. Don't you think they'll not make 500 rupees? Each and every mobile pay users are definitely going to make in thousands and lakhs. So they will keep on withdrawing money into their banks. Whenever, see, next day morning they get up, they see 1,000, 2,000 rupees in their wallet, they will definitely want to withdraw. When they withdraw, the whole commission, 1 rupee, will be passed up to the 5 levels, and you're going to make money out of that. So out of 1 lakh people, you're going to make 6 lakhs rupees if they're even withdrawing 6 times a day. If they're doing withdrawal daily, that means it is a 30 lakhs income from this. So friends, next, the lucrative income. The one big question comes, okay, when we refer people, we are going to make really money out of it. But what when I start the mobile pay and start doing my transaction? Will I get money out of my own transaction? Yes, friends, company has taken care of that at most level. See, you will make 20% earning profit from the profit what you are going to give to the company. Company is going to give you flat 20% back to you from your earnings. See, 20% how company is going to give you is 10%. It will give you instantly, and another 10% in quarter if you complete 21,000 rupees. That is the small criteria. Definitely, you are going to make your transaction more than 7,000 rupees a month, isn't it? So you will make 20% earning from your self transaction. So this is a very comfortable again, and this you never get in any other e-commerce app. When you do transaction, do you think when you go to a petrol pump, you swipe a card, petrol pump is going to give you 20% revenue from your earnings from the transaction? And do you think if you just taken some groceries and the grocery person is going to give you 20% discount? No. But here, friends, this 20% is going to come to you whenever you make a transaction. Second, the most lucrative or the high value income from your own transaction. If you're making a big transaction, there'll be a lot of businessmen who does a lot of transaction in a month. And when they start using mobile pay, say if they're using 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh rupees transaction per month, but what the companies require is only 6 lakhs transaction in a year. That is a maximum and an average of 50,000 rupees per month. If you make a transaction of 6 lakhs rupees, you will be paid proportionately from the time when you join. 50,000 rupees will be taken as an average. You will get a proportionate income of 6% sharing from the company's turnover, friends. This is going to be again a big money. See, when we predict the company is growing at a phenomenal rise, it is not in the angle of just 20, 30 degrees, friends. It is just shooting up like a rocket. It is going in the angle of nearly 80 to 90 degrees. At this speed, the company is growing now because it is a must. It is required for everybody. And in today's scenario, everybody wants an additional money. And when you are getting a money out of your own expenditure, why not mobile pay, friends? So this 6% that companies say, when we take in a span of 1 year, the company's growth has gone to 50,000 crores or 1 lakh crores. Can you imagine, friends, the 6% out of that profit what the company is going to get is going to be a very, very big money. Sometimes it could be even the more bigger than what you have spent. So this is definitely going to be a very additional revenue every year. In the new year, you will be enjoying the additional money from mobile pay. So friends, one more very lucrative income company has given, like a bonus, incentive, or a gift, you can say, for all the people who have been regularly consistent and dedicatedly working with mobile pay. Slowly your team is growing, you're helping your people, you're helping all your friends, and making a team of 1 lakh people in your fifth level. When 1 lakh people in your 5 levels grows, company is going to give you a gift, friends. It is really a gift, a wonderful gift. A 15 lakh rupees as a house fund and 9 lakh rupees as a car fund. A 24 lakh rupees a gift package, friends. It is really going to you will be really so blessed, to be a part. You will be really proud to be a part of mobile pay. Once you enter into this mobile pay, you will know the power of this company, this concept, this app, how it is going to change your life. So friends, now I will tell you a simple format. I'm ending this presentation and I'll just give you the 7 simple steps how you're going to start making money, how you're going to use this mobile pay, and how you're going to build your team. The 7 most simple thing. The point number 1. Today, what you're going to do is you will download your app from the from the Google Play Store, okay, from Android or iOS, or even you can download it from the website. Okay. After downloading, you will enter your referral code, which is given by your sponsor, the person who has invited you, the person who has given this wonderful concept of mobile pay to you, friends. First, you thank him so much for it, and you, with lot of excitement, just enter that code and join mobile pay. After you join the mobile pay, the first thing what you have to do is look for the card where you have to purchase. It is in the app itself. You have to pay 600 rupees through what you call, through any form of NEFT transfer from your bank or from the Google Pay or any other app. You can transfer 600 rupees and immediately purchase a card. You will get a virtual card instantly from the day one, from the same hour, you will start doing your transaction. And very soon, friends, from 17th of this month, the company is opening a wonderful office, and company is going to even launch the physical card, which is going to be distributed throughout India. And we all are so excited, and to have a feeling of that physical card, we are all waiting to just touch that card, and just dreaming that when we will start swiping this card for our first time. So friends, when you're getting this virtual card, start using this card. Even the physical card, you will definitely love to use this, and start using and make this mobile pay card as your regular usage card. keep all the cards aside, friends. I don't mean to just discard them. You will definitely make use of all the other cards also. But when you make use of mobile pay card, you will make earnings out of it, friends. So this card is going to be like a wallet where you will be able to carry whatever money you want. It's a prepaid card. You can put in 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, as much as you want, and you can use the card. After this, what you have to do, friends, just learn a little bit of how this app is going to function. Just sit with your sponsor, just take some time out of it, just an hour or a day, just half a day you spend with them, just enjoy what this app is going to really make life out of you, life of from this app, and learn each and every aspect of the app. Learn what this app is, how it's going to be operated, how it's going to give you the income. Friends, learn everything out of this app. Once you're learning and when you're thorough out of it, you'll be so confident, you'll start using it app, then you start referring to people. When you start referring friends, you will start building your team, you will talk to your friends, you'll be so excited, you will be communicating to all many other people, and you'll be sharing this wonderful experience of mobile pay, how you are going to use, how you are going to make money out of it. The next thing, friends, you are just going to enjoy the lifetime regular earning, friends. Once you have started building your team, you will start getting money. Every morning, you'll be so excited. You will get up early morning, you say mobile pay, and you open the app, you see money pouring in, and you will be so excited to withdraw this into your bank account. Friends, this mobile pay is definitely going to change the lives of every individual and the individuals of our India. Friends, very soon India will capture each and every citizens of India is going to use mobile pay, friends. And then wish you all to be the early birds of the mobile pay users and build in a very strong team, systematic team, and with a lot of concern, with lot of gratitude, start operating this mobile pay, friends. This mobile pay is definitely going to change your life. All the very best, friends, and happy earning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I hand over this back to Mr. Singh to say a few words again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jakir. You have, very nicely you have explained to each and every person. And friends, let me tell you that we should be very grateful to Almighty that in this COVID, no, it has induced into the brain of Mr. Chaudhary and given us no unique opportunity. Friends, mobile pay is not for 6 months or 5 years or 10 years. No, it is going to be for lifelong business. Why? Because